Well, well. Here we go again with the Jeep 2006 Cherokee. What happened this time was I bought this car a few weeks ago and a few months ago actually, and I used the car to drive just close to my place, like 20 minutes far, where's my job. And then last week I went a bit further, 1 hour and something, was close to midday and was a very hot day. So what happened here was the temperature was too high. I just realized here on the dashboard, where's my light? In the dashboard the needle was going too high in here. That needle was close to the red point there at the end. So I knew when I bought this car the radiator wasn't coolant liquid in there, was water 100%. Look the color of the water. So what I'm doing is I just will clean the system to see if the cooler system can reach your 100% of efficiency. As it was going up, I was thinking, look the situation of this, I will clean the bottle, everything, but not today. I will just drain the coolant liquid, put a new one, and I will do that a couple of times actually with water, and then on the last one I will put the proper liquid, coolant liquid, on the system. So let's see if it, the cooler system, the radiator and all the system to get the temperature stabilized is going to work properly, because where the needle was, it's not normal. So I will do that, and then I will do a test, and we see how it goes. I will clean the motor as well, and yes, it is what it is. Let's see how it's gonna be. Alright guys, thank you to watch my one more video. See you next time.